Hi and welcome back to another quick guide today. I'll teach you how to keep PC running smoothly. Keeping your PC running smoothly ensures better performance, fewer crashes, and a longer lifespan. Regular maintenance helps prevent slowdowns and protects your system from potential issues. By following consistent and simple practices, you can keep your computer operating efficiently. To begin, keep your operating system updated. Install the latest updates to fix bugs, improve security, and enhance performance. Update drivers regularly. Ensure hardware components like graphics, audio, and network drivers are up to date. Uninstall unused programs. Remove applications you no longer use to free up storage and reduce system load. Limit startup programs. Disable unnecessary apps from launching at startup to speed up boot time. Run antivirus scans. Perform regular scans to detect and remove malware or viruses. Use disk cleanup tools. Delete temporary files, cache, and system junk to free up space. Defragment your hard drive, HDD only. Optimize file storage for faster access. Skip this if using SSD. Check for disk errors. Use built-in tools to scan and fix file system issues. Manage background processes. Close unnecessary apps running in the background to improve performance. Keep your storage from getting full. Maintain at least 15 or 20% up free storage or space for optimal system operation. Clean your hardware physically. Remove the dust from fans and vents to prevent overheating. Upgrade hardware when needed. Consider adding more RAM or switching to an SSD for better speed. Restart your PC regularly. Rebooting clears memory and helps resolve minor performance issues. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.